Giải đề dự đoán IELTS chủ đề chính phủ cấp nhà miễn phí cho người không có khả năng chi trả. Đề bài cụ thể như sau, nhà ở là nhu cầu thiết yếu của con người. Một số người cho rằng chính phủ nên cấp nhà miễn phí cho những người không có khả năng chi trả, bạn đồng ý hay phản đối quan điểm này? Hãy cùng đi vào các bước giải đề chi tiết cho đề bài này như sau. Phân tích đề. Tìm ý. Lập dàn ý chi tiết. Bài viết tham khảo. Phân tích bài viết. Trong phần phân tích đề, hãy xác định 3 yếu tố sau: chủ đề của bài, câu hỏi cụ thể và đối tượng của bài viết. Trước khi đi vào phần sau, chúng ta cùng tham khảo các cách diễn đạt đồng nghĩa với các cụm từ khóa trong bài. Hãy tham khảo kỹ phần này trước khi đến với phần dàn ý chi tiết ở sau nhé. Với đề bài này, mình sẽ trình bày 2 dàn ý chi tiết và 2 bài mẫu. Dàn ý thứ nhất, chúng ta sẽ đồng ý với quan điểm được đưa ra trong đề bài, cụ thể như
Introduction. Restate the task question. Thesis statement. I agree that the government should provide free houses as it addresses social issues and enhances overall well-being. Body paragraph 1. The necessity of free housing for those in need. Topic sentence. Free houses are vital for meeting basic human needs. Reason. Housing is a fundamental necessity for a dignified life. Result. Inadequate housing leads to challenges like shelter insecurity, compromised health, and lack of stability. Example. Provide stability and enable focus on education and career development. Counterargument. Some argue free houses promote dependency. Rebuttal. Accompany free houses with educational and vocational programs for self-sufficiency. Body paragraph 2. Social and economic benefits of offering free houses. Topic sentence. Providing free houses has wide-ranging societal benefits. Benefit. Reduced homelessness rates and improved public health. Result. Safer, cleaner, and more vibrant communities. Comparison. Cost of homelessness-related services outweighs investment in free houses. Example. Programs combining free houses and support services decrease homelessness, leading to lower healthcare costs and reduced crime rates. Counterargument. Opponents prioritize resources for education or infrastructure. Rebuttal. Adequate housing is foundational for individuals to thrive, participate in society, pursue education, gain employment, and contribute to economic growth. Conclusion. Recap main points and restate the thesis. Emphasize the importance of providing free houses for those in need and its positive impact on individuals, communities, and society.
Các bạn hãy dành 30 phút để viết bài luận hoàn chỉnh theo dàn ý này. Sau đó hãy tham khảo bài luận mẫu dưới đây.
Housing is a fundamental necessity for individuals, but many cannot afford it. I agree that the government should provide free houses for those unable to pay. This approach addresses social issues, such as shelter insecurity and compromised health, while enhancing overall well-being. Free houses are crucial for meeting basic human needs as adequate housing is essential for leading a dignified life. Without it, individuals face numerous challenges including shelter insecurity, compromised health conditions, and a lack of stability. Scientific findings support this claim, revealing that individuals without housing experience higher rates of health issues, including respiratory illnesses and mental health disorders, compared to those with stable homes. In such cases, providing free houses not only offers a safe and secure environment but also empowers individuals to focus on other aspects of their lives, such as education and career development. However, some argue that free houses promote dependency. To address this concern, the government should accompany free houses with educational and vocational programs that promote self-sufficiency. Providing free houses offers wide-ranging benefits for society, reducing homelessness rates and fostering safer, cleaner, and more vibrant communities. According to a study by the Hanoi Department of Labor, Invalids and Social Affairs, 2022, combining free housing with supportive services resulted in a 30% decrease in homelessness rates in Hanoi. The study also revealed that the cost of homelessness-related services, such as emergency shelters and medical care, surpasses the investment required for providing free houses. While opponents may prioritize resources for education or infrastructure, it is essential to acknowledge that adequate housing forms the foundation for individuals to thrive and actively engage in society. Addressing the immediate housing needs of vulnerable populations creates a stable and inclusive environment that facilitates education, employment, and economic growth. In conclusion, the provision of free houses by the government for those unable to afford them is essential. It addresses social issues, enhances overall well-being, and offers numerous benefits to individuals, communities, and society. It is imperative that governments prioritize affordable housing initiatives to ensure a better future for all.
Các bạn xem lại một lần nữa bài viết, lưu ý các câu in đậm thể hiện câu chủ đề và quan điểm thống nhất của người viết. Tham khảo các bài tập từ vựng chủ đề trên website, mình sẽ viết thêm một dàn ý khác và một bài mẫu nữa để mọi người tham khảo nhé.
Introduction. Task question. Should the government provide free houses for those who cannot afford them? Writer's opinion. Disagree with government providing free houses. Body paragraph 1. Topic sentence. Government provided free houses undermine personal responsibility and motivation. Reason 1. Individuals should take responsibility for their housing needs. Reason 2. Free houses can create entitlement and dependency. Rebuttal. Temporary assistance and resources are better for individuals to improve their financial situations. Body paragraph 2. Topic sentence. Providing free houses for everyone is economically unsustainable. Drawback. Burden on government budget. Result. Limited resources should be allocated effectively. Example. Financial challenges and housing quality issues in countries with extensive social housing programs. Conclusion. Recap main points from body paragraphs. Restate writer's opinion against government providing free houses.
Các bạn hãy dành 30 phút để viết bài hoàn chỉnh. Sau đó hãy tham khảo bài luận mẫu dưới đây. Hoặc tham khảo các bài tập từ vựng trên website trước để có vốn từ vựng viết bài. Sau khi viết bài hoàn chỉnh, hãy tham khảo bài mẫu sau đây.
The question of whether the government should offer free houses for those unable to afford them has sparked a contentious debate. Personally, I disagree with the notion of the government providing free houses, as I believe it undermines personal responsibility and motivation. One of the main reasons why I oppose the idea of government-provided free houses is that it undermines personal responsibility and inhibits personal growth and self-sufficiency. Research conducted by the Vietnamese Institute of Social Sciences, 2023, reveals that temporary assistance programs, coupled with employment support, have proven to be more effective in helping low-income individuals improve their financial situations and gain independence. By actively encouraging individuals to seek employment and take ownership of their housing needs, these programs foster personal growth and empower individuals to break the cycle of poverty. Conversely, providing free houses can create a sense of entitlement and dependency, hindering upward mobility. Therefore, a comprehensive approach that combines temporary assistance, employment support, and resources is more effective in promoting self-sufficiency and long-term financial stability. Another significant drawback of providing free houses for everyone is the economic sustainability of such a program. According to a study conducted by the International Monetary Fund, 2023, implementing universal free housing would place an immense burden on the government budget, resulting in a diversion of funds from crucial sectors like education, healthcare, and infrastructure. With an extensive social housing system, the government has ended up facing financial challenges, leading to reduced funding for critical public services. Furthermore, the study also highlights that the quality of social housing may suffer, with reports of dilapidated buildings and inadequate living conditions for recipients. Therefore, effective allocation of limited resources and prioritization of targeted assistance programs is necessary to ensure efficient resource utilization and address individuals' specific needs. In conclusion, the government providing free houses to those who cannot afford them is not the optimal solution. Such initiatives undermine personal responsibility and motivation, creating entitlement and dependency. Moreover, the economic unsustainability of providing free houses for everyone poses a significant burden on government budgets.
Các bạn hãy xem lại một lượt toàn bộ bài viết và chú ý các câu chủ đề và luận điểm được in đậm. Hy vọng với phần giải chi tiết với 2 bài viết mẫu này đã giúp bạn hiểu rõ cách làm dạng đề này. Các bạn hãy cho mình một lượt thích và đăng ký kênh để cập nhật những đề dự đoán mới nhất cho đợt thi IELTS sắp tới nhé.